Today we're going to be doing the integral from negative infinity to infinity of 1 over x squared plus 1 to the alpha dx. We'll label it I of alpha. And I guess let's just get right off to it. We will let x equal tangent theta, which means dx equals secant squared theta d theta. And as x goes to infinity, theta goes to pi over 2, because technically theta is equal to the arctangent of x. And as x goes to minus infinity, theta goes to minus pi over 2. Okay. So now our integral I of alpha is equal to the integral from negative pi by 2 to pi by 2 of secant squared theta over tangent squared theta plus 1 to the alpha, which is equal to the integral from negative pi by 2 to pi by 2 of secant squared theta by secant to the 2 alpha theta d theta. And then if we rewrite using our exponents, we'll get the integral from negative pi by 2 to pi by 2 of secant to the 2 minus 2 alpha theta d theta. And keep in mind, secant is an even function, so we can write this as 2 times the integral from 0 to pi by 2. And then we can include a negative 1 into the exponent by turning secant into cosine. So we get cosine to the 2 alpha minus 2 d theta. Theta d theta. Okay. And then we'll have, notice how we have the beta function. Beta of x and y, this is one way to represent it, is 2 times the integral from 0 to pi by 2 of sine to the 2x minus 1 theta times cosine to the 2y minus 1 theta d theta. And notice how that's basically what we have right here. But we need sine to have an exponent of 0. So we need 2x minus 1 equals 0, which means x equals a half. And we need 2y minus 1 to be equal to 2 alpha minus 2. So if we add 1 to both sides, we'll get 2y equals 2 alpha minus 1. Divide by 2, we'll get y equals alpha minus a half. So this implies that I of alpha is equal to 2 times the beta function of a half and alpha minus a half. And that's false. It's literally just the beta function of a half and alpha minus a half. Okay. And then we can set this equal to gamma of a half times gamma of alpha minus a half all over gamma of a half plus alpha minus a half, which means that we have I of alpha is equal to the integral from negative infinity to infinity of 1 over x squared plus 1 to the alpha dx is equal to gamma of a half is the square root of pi. gamma of alpha minus a half over, and these cancel out, so you get gamma of alpha. So that's the final solution. Thank you for watching. I know you can get a similar answer using complex analysis, but it's really complicated and I am too lazy to make a video about it, but I did it in some notes on TikTok, so you can go check those out.